Food and life is such a beautiful thing, don't you think? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Come on, be a part of the notification. Dang. Alright, let's do this. One of you guys suggested the crunch wrap, or yeah, the crunch wrap. Let me show you how easy it is to make the best giant crunch wrap ever. My twist, my take, my copycat of it. Don't blink. We'll start off like this, the beef. So, 2 tablespoons of olive oil going into my pot here. I got half a cup of onions. I'm gonna saute this. 2 pounds of ground beef here. Teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper. Then we brown this. Once I got it nice and cooked, all I'm gonna do, drain that good fat out. Let's make our gravy. So 2 cups of beef broth going into my pot here. Make sure you don't throw it onto the flame because this is what we're gonna do. We're going with 3 tablespoons or 3 heaping tablespoons of flour. Mix this in. Don't throw it on the flame, guys. Once you got the clumps all nice and broken up, onto our fire. Turn on max heat. Whisk this until it becomes nice and thick. Once you got this nice and thickened, take our beef, dump back in. Finish this off, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, or cumin seed. Mix this in. Last touches, I'm just gonna taste this. Ow. I'm just gonna season it a bit. Taste and adjust seasoning for your life. Alright, next, as we let our beef cool down a bit, let's make our cheese sauce. We got 2 tablespoons of butter here. Once butter melts, 2 tablespoons of flour going in. Cook that flour in with the butter. Got that cooked in. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream. So this becomes nice and thick, I got a handful of marble cheese. And I got a handful of mozzarella cheese. Turn off your fire. Make sure your fire is off before you guys fold this in, alright? You don't want to overheat your cheese. You overheat your cheese, it's gonna turn to water. The setup, very simple and easy, guys. Since I don't have a giant flour tortilla, I have to put 4 together. So it's just gonna be like this. Nice, simple, and easy. Alright, first layer, our beef. Have it right in the middle there. Next, that beautiful velvet cheese sauce. Cheese on that. Next, we got a fried tortilla or tortilla. Do this. Dollop with sour cream on top of this. And we got some lettuce. Tomatoes. More cheese. And I'm just gonna top this off with another fried corn tortilla. All right, tricky part. How do you fold this? So, bam, 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 bam. Yeah. Kind of broke on the side, but it's okay. It may not look like the shape right now, but I know, guys, for a fact that if I toast this up, it's gonna create that shape. Gently dump your baby in. There it is. Let it toast for 2 minutes on each side. 2 minutes up. There you go. Flip that bad boy. Does it look like the shape now? Just wait, guys. Just wait, okay? Let's kind of do this one first. Moment of silence for this, please. See that? That's beautiful. Are you guys seeing the color I see? My camera is always sometimes off. Look at that. The ultimate crunch wrap. So beautiful. The one I made off camera kind of looks even better. What kind of shape is this? Is this a pentagon? Hexagon? What shape is this? I forgot. Should have paid attention in class more. That's what I should have done. Octagon? No. Look at that. It's a work of art. It's a work of art. There it is. When are you guys gonna come by? Quick time, guys. Not your most aesthetic looking thing ever, but I bet it's tasty. Guys, take the first bite of this. Quick time. You guys got it. Quick time. Nice. I'm pumped for this. That is amazing. Wow. Look at it, it's not even aesthetic looking. I try to get a good thumbnail. Look at that. Turn it up. Turn it up. Teared it up. Teared it up. But let me tell you, the most amazingest thing ever. Very beautiful. With the cheese sauce and all. Oh yeah. That's amazing. I never really liked the crunch wrap. Reason why? It was way too doughy. I thought this was gonna be a little doughy. But the extra filling in this made up for it. The last time I had it was at a fast food chain restaurant. And I guess the filling didn't really match up with the dough. Oh. You see why I did that gravy for that beef there? You see why? That's amazing. That right there is pocket full of goodness right now. You know that's pocket full of goodness right there. That's amazing. I want to say the last time I had it, compared to this one right now, or homemade one, the homemade wins, guys. Another bite of this. Quick time. Nice. Pop this. Here's the thing, guys. This is what you guys have to play around with. You know what? Just follow my recipe, okay? Just follow it. Some may think I under-seasoned my beef. But let me tell you, with the cheese, the gravy, everything mashed up all well together, guys. No under season, no over season, just perfect. I promise you. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up on your food. Life's a beautiful thing shirt. All right, bottom one, like, share this. Peace out.